Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by measuring and cutting so the packet is consistent. Fold one sheet to test size. About 6x6 cm makes a compact pouch. Once done, measure the medicine precisely with a scale or use a pre-filled capsule so you avoid dosing errors. Make sure your hands and surface are clean. Use tweezers to handle powder. Mark one edge lightly with a marker to indicate open side. This helps in the next folding step when you create the pocket. Now you form the actual pocket. Fold the paper into two side flaps and a bottom tuck so a small pouch appears. This holds shape and prevents spillage. Once formed, use a tiny funnel or flat card to guide the powder into the center. Aim to fill no more than 3/4 of the pocket so sealing is effective. Make sure the seams line up and press them flat with a fingernail or bone folder. Leave the top open for the final closure step. Finish by sealing the top securely. Fold the top flap down, then fold again and press firmly to compress the seam. You may moisten a tiny spot to help adhesion if paper allows. Once sealed, write the dose and date on the packet so you avoid mistakes later, and store packets in a cool, dry place away from light. If you notice a leak or moisture, repackage immediately into a fresh packet and discard any contaminated medicine.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.